Are you tired of wasting time searching for important documents, only to find them buried in a pile of paperwork? Do you struggle to keep track of your files and worry about losing critical information? Effective document filing is essential for maintaining organized records, reducing paperwork, and improving productivity. In this video, we'll be sharing simple steps to help you manage document filing and take control of your paperwork. From creating a document management system to using cloud storage and document management software, we'll cover the essential strategies and best practices to help you streamline your document filing process. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to get their paperwork in order, this video is for you. So, let's get started and learn how to manage document filing like a pro. Benefits of watching the video. Learn how to create a document management system that works for you. Discover how to categorize and label documents for easy retrieval. Understand the importance of using standardized filing systems and designating a filing area. Find out how to use OCR software and cloud storage to digitize your documents. Learn how to implement a document retention policy and set reminders for document expirations. Get tips on how to regularly review and update documents and maintain a record of filed documents. Learn how to use document management software and best practices for document filing. Effective document filing is essential for maintaining organized records, reducing paperwork, and improving productivity. Here are some steps to help you manage document filing. 1. Create a document management system. Establish a system for categorizing, storing, and retrieving documents. This can be a physical filing system, a digital storage system, or a combination of both. Streamline your document chaos. Get your documents in order with our first tip. Create a document management system that works for you. Whether it's physical, digital, or a combination of both, having a system in place will save your time and reduce stress. 2. Categorize and label documents. Categorize documents into categories such as personal, work, financial, or legal. Use labels or tags to identify the type of document, date, and other relevant information. Labeling and categorizing your documents is the key to finding what you need when you need it. Use simple labels or tags to identify the type of document, date, and other relevant information. This will make it easy to locate specific documents and keep your files organized. 3. Use a standardized filing system. Use a standardized filing system to ensure that documents are easily accessible and searchable. This can include using alphabetical or numerical order, color coding, or using a specific template. Make it easy to find what you need. Use a standardized filing system to take your document management to the next level. Whether it's alphabetical or numerical order, color coding, or using a specific template, having a consistent system will make it easy to find what you need quickly and efficiently. No more digging through piles of papers or searching through endless files. 4. Designate a filing area. Designate a specific area for filing documents, such as a filing cabinet or a digital storage folder. Make sure this area is easily accessible and secure. Organize your space. Designate a filing zone. Let's keep our workspace tidy and efficient. Designate a specific area for filing documents, like a filing cabinet or digital storage folder. Make sure it's easy to access and secure. This will help you stay on top of your paperwork and reduce clutter. 5. File documents in a timely manner. File documents in a timely manner to avoid clutter and ensure that important information is not lost. Try to file documents within 24 to 48 hours of receipt. File as soon as possible. Keep your documents in order. Did you know that filing your documents on time can make a big difference? Try to file them within 24 to 48 hours of receipt. This will help you avoid clutter and ensure that important information is never lost. Let's get organized and stay on top of our tasks. 6. Maintain a record of filed documents. Keep a record of all filed documents, including the date filed, category, and location. This can help you quickly locate documents and ensure that nothing is misplaced. Keep track of your files. Stay organized and focused. Keep a record of all your filed documents. Write down the date filed, category, and location. This will help you quickly locate documents and prevent them from getting lost. You'll be amazed at how much more focused and productive you'll be with an organized system. 7. Implement a document retention policy. Develop a document retention policy that outlines how long documents should be kept before they are discarded or destroyed. Simplify your records management. Develop a clear document retention policy that ensures you know what documents to keep, for how long, and when to discard or destroy them. 8. Use optical character recognition (OCR) software. Use OCR software to scan and digitize paper documents, making them searchable and easily accessible. Unlock your paper trail. Use OCR software. Optical character recognition, OCR, software is a type of technology that enables the conversion of printed or typed text into digital text, allowing users to edit, search, and share the text electronically. OCR software uses optical character recognition algorithms to analyze images of text and identify the individual characters, such as letters, numbers, and symbols. Here's how to use OCR software. 1. Choose an OCR software. There are many OCR software options available, both free and paid. Some popular options include Adobe Acrobat DC, Abby Fine Reader, Nuance Power PDF, online OCR tools like Online OCR, OCR Space, and Small PDF. 2. Scan or upload your document. Scan your document using a scanner or take a photo of it using your smartphone or camera. You can also upload a digital image of the document. 3. Open the OCR software. Launch the OCR software and select the file format you want to use. Example, PDF, JPEG, PNG. 4. Select the OCR engine. Choose the OCR engine that best suits your needs. Some OCR engines are more accurate than others, depending on the language and font used in the document. 5. Configure the OCR settings. Adjust the OCR settings to optimize the recognition process. This may include settings such as language. Choose the language used in the document. Font. Select the font type used in the document. Resolution. Adjust the resolution of the image to improve recognition. 6. Run the OCR process. Click the Recognize or Convert button to start the OCR process. The software will analyze the image and convert it into editable text. 7. Edit and refine the output. Once the OCR process is complete, you can edit and refine the output by correcting errors, formatting the text, and adding annotations. 8. Save the output. Save the output as a digital file, example, PDF, Word, text, for further use. Some tips to keep in mind when using OCR software. Image quality. Ensure that the image quality is high enough for accurate recognition. A good rule of thumb is to use an image with a resolution of at least 300 dpi. Font complexity. Complex fonts or fonts with multiple styles, example, bold, italic, may be more challenging for OCR software to recognize. Language support. Not all OCR software supports all languages. Check the language support before selecting an OCR software. Error correction. Be prepared to correct errors, as OCR software is not always 100% accurate. 9. Set reminders for document expirations. Set reminders for document expirations, such as contracts or agreements that need to be renewed or updated. Stay ahead of expired documents. Don't miss important deadlines. There are several ways to set reminders for document expiration, depending on your specific needs and the tools you use. Here are some methods. 1. Digital calendar. You can set reminders in your digital calendar, example, Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, Apple Calendar, for specific dates or time intervals. Create a new event and set the due date as the expiration date of the document. 2. Task management tools. Tools like Trello, Asana, or Todoist allow you to create tasks with due dates and reminders. You can create a task with a due date matching the document's expiration date and set a reminder for that date. 3. Document management systems. If you're using a document management system like SharePoint, Box, or Dropbox, you can set reminders within the system. Check your system's documentation for instructions on setting reminders. 4. Reminder apps. Apps like Evernote, OneNote, or SimpleNote allow you to set reminders for specific notes or documents. You can create a note with a reminder set for the document's expiration date. 5. Automated tasks. If you're using an automation tool like Zapier or IFT, you can create a task that triggers a reminder email or notification when a document is about to expire. 6. Excel or Google Sheets. You can create a spreadsheet with columns for document name, expiration date, and reminder date. Use formulas to calculate the reminder date and set up conditional formatting to highlight documents nearing expiration. 7. Paper-based reminders. If you prefer a physical approach, you can create a paper-based calendar with notes and reminders for document expiration. To set up reminders for document expiration, follow these steps. 1. Identify the documents that need to be renewed or reviewed. 2. Determine the expiration date for each document. 3. Choose a method from above, example, digital calendar, task management tool, etc. 4. Set up the reminder according to the chosen method's instructions. 5. Test the reminder system to ensure it works as expected. By setting reminders for document expiration, you'll ensure that important documents are reviewed and updated in a timely manner, reducing the risk of missed deadlines or expired permits or licenses. 10. Regularly review and update documents. Regularly review and update documents to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. Stay on top of your documents. 11. Use cloud storage. Consider using cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive to store and access documents remotely. The convenience of cloud storage. What is cloud storage? Cloud storage is a model of data storage where digital data is stored in logical pools, which are often located on multiple servers and can be accessed over the internet. This means that you can store and access your files, documents, and other data from anywhere at any time, using any device with an internet connection. Benefits of cloud storage. 1. Remote access. Access your files from anywhere on any device with an internet connection. 2. Automatic backup. Cloud storage services often provide automatic backup options, ensuring your files are safe and up to date. 3. Collaboration. Share files and folders with others easily, allowing for real-time collaboration and teamwork. 4. Scalability. Cloud storage services offer flexible storage plans, allowing you to easily upgrade or downgrade as needed. 5. Security. Cloud storage services typically have robust security measures in place, including encryption and access controls, to protect your data. 6. Cost-effective. Cloud storage services often offer cost-effective solutions, eliminating the need for expensive hardware and maintenance. Popular cloud storage services. 1. Google Drive. A cloud storage service offered by Google that allows you to store and access files from anywhere. 2. Dropbox. A popular cloud storage service that allows you to share files and folders with others. 3. Microsoft OneDrive. A cloud storage service offered by Microsoft that integrates well with Microsoft Office applications. Tips for using cloud storage. 1. Choose the right service. Consider the features you need, such as file sharing, collaboration, and security. 2. Set up automatic backup. Set up automatic backup options to ensure your files are safe and up to date. 3. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Protect your account by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. 4. Organize your files. Use folders and subfolders to organize your files and make them easy to find. And 5. Monitor your storage usage. Keep an eye on your storage usage to avoid running out of space. 12. Use document management software. Consider using document management software like SharePoint, Documentum, or Alfresco to manage and store large volumes of documents. The joy of document management. Use document management software. When dealing with large volumes of documents, it's essential to have a system in place to manage and store them effectively. This is where document management software comes in. Document management software. These software solutions provide a centralized repository to store, manage, and retrieve documents efficiently. They offer features such as 1. Document storage. Store and organize documents in a structured manner, making it easy to find and retrieve them. 2. Version control. Manage multiple versions of documents, ensuring that only the latest version is accessible. 3. Search and retrieval. Search for documents using keywords, tags, or other metadata, making it easy to find specific documents. 4. Access control. Control access to documents based on user roles, permissions, and authentication. 5. Security. Ensure the security and integrity of documents by implementing encryption, access controls, and audit logs. 6. Collaboration. Enable collaboration among team members by providing real-time commenting, @mentioning, and task assignment. 7. Reporting and analytics. Generate reports and analytics to track document usage, activity, and trends. Popular document management software. Some popular document management software options include 1. SharePoint. Microsoft's SharePoint is a widely used document management platform that integrates with Microsoft Office applications. 2. Documentum. Documentum is an enterprise-level document management system that offers advanced features for content management, workflow automation, and security. 3. Alfresco. Alfresco is an open-source document management system that offers a flexible and scalable solution for managing large volumes of documents. Benefits of using document management software. 1. Improved collaboration. Enables team members to collaborate more effectively on documents. 2. Increased productivity. Automates document management tasks, reducing the time spent searching for documents or updating multiple versions. 3. Enhanced security. Ensures the security and integrity of documents by controlling access and tracking changes. 4. Better organization. Organizes documents in a structured manner, making it easy to find and retrieve them. 5. Compliance. Helps ensure compliance with regulatory requirements by providing a secure and auditable record of document activity. Additionally, here are some best practices for document filing. Keep frequently used documents in an easy-to-access location. Use a consistent naming convention for documents. Use keywords or tags to make documents searchable. Keep confidential documents in a secure location. Regularly back up digital files to prevent loss. Consider shredding or destroying sensitive documents after they are no longer needed. The age-old task of manual data filing. Here are some tips on how to manage manual data filing, including labeling, indexing, and creating folders. Tips on how to manage manual data filing. Before you start. 1. Define the purpose. Identify the purpose of the data filing system. Is it for storing customer records, inventory management, or tracking employee information? This will help you determine the scope and complexity of the system. 2. Determine the scope. Decide what types of documents will be filed, such as letters, reports, invoices, or contracts. This will help you plan the organization and categorization of the files. 3. Establish a master file. A master file is a central repository that contains all the relevant information about each document, such as its title, date, author, and contents. This will help you quickly locate and retrieve specific documents. Labeling. 1. Use a consistent labeling scheme. Develop a consistent labeling scheme to ensure that documents are easily identifiable and can be easily retrieved. 2. Label with care. Use permanent labels that can withstand wear and tear. Avoid using stickers or labels that can peel off or fall off. 3. Label in multiple locations. Label each document in multiple locations, such as on the top left corner, bottom right corner, and on the spine. Indexing. 1. Create an index card. Create an index card for each document with relevant information such as title, date, author, and contents. 2. Index by category. Index documents by category, such as alphabetically by title or by date. 3. Use a standardized indexing system. Use a standardized indexing system to ensure consistency across all documents. Creating folders. 1. Create a hierarchical structure. Organize folders in a hierarchical structure, such as by department, project, or date. 2. Use descriptive folder names. Use descriptive folder names that clearly indicate what type of documents are stored in each folder. 3. Subfolders. Create subfolders within main folders to further categorize documents. Additional tips. 1. Keep it organized. Keep your files organized by regularly cleaning up and maintaining your filing system. 2. Use a document retention policy. Develop a document retention policy to ensure that documents are not retained indefinitely and that they are properly disposed of when no longer needed. 3. Consider digitization. Consider digitizing your files to reduce physical storage needs and improve accessibility. 4. Train staff. Train staff on how to use and maintain the filing system to ensure consistency and accuracy. 5. Review and update. Regularly review and update your filing system to ensure it remains effective and efficient. Master file. 1. Create a central database. Create a central database or spreadsheet that contains all the relevant information about each document, such as its title, date, author, and contents. 2. Include metadata. Include metadata such as file size, format, and location to make it easier to locate and retrieve documents. 3. Use a standardized template. Use a standardized template to ensure consistency across all documents. 4. Update regularly. Regularly update your master file to reflect changes in your documents or filing system. The art of managing digital data filing. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you master the process of organizing and structuring your digital files, including folder labeling, indexing, and creating folders. We'll also cover what to consider and the concept of a master file. Managing digital data filing. Folder labeling. 1. Use descriptive and concise names. Label your folders with descriptive and concise names that clearly indicate the content within. 2. Use keywords and tags. Use keywords and tags to help search and categorize your files. 3. Avoid using special characters. Refrain from using special characters, such as exclamation mark sign, @ sharp, $, etc., in folder names as they can cause issues with searches. 4. Use a consistent naming convention. Establish a consistent naming convention across all folders to maintain consistency. Indexing. 1. Create an index table. Create an index table or spreadsheet to track and organize your files, including metadata such as file names, dates, and descriptions. 2. Index by category. Organize your files into categories such as projects, clients, or departments. 3. Use a standardized indexing format. Establish a standardized indexing format to ensure consistency across all files. 4. Regularly update the index. Regularly update the index to reflect changes in your files. Creating folders. 1. Create a hierarchical structure. Organize your files into a hierarchical structure, using folders and subfolders to categorize your content. 2. Use logical folder names. Use logical folder names that reflect the content within. 3. Keep it organized. Keep your folders organized by regularly reviewing and updating your folder structure. 4. Consider using a cloud-based storage service. Consider using a cloud-based storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive to access your files from anywhere. What to consider in digital data filing. 1. Security and access control. Ensure that your files are secure and accessible only to authorized personnel. 2. Data backup and recovery. Regularly backup your files and establish a plan for data recovery in case of data loss or corruption. 3. Data retention and archiving. Establish a data retention policy to ensure that files are properly archived and disposed of when no longer needed. 4. Compliance with regulations. Ensure that your file management system complies with relevant regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA. GDPR and HIPAA are two of the most well-known regulations in the field of document compliance, but they are specific to different industries and jurisdictions. GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation, is a European Union (EU) regulation that came into effect on May 25, 2018. It replaces the Data Protection Directive 1995 and aims to strengthen the protection of individuals' personal data in the EU. The GDPR applies to all organizations that process personal data of individuals within the EU, regardless of their location. HIPAA, or Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, is a federal law in the United States that was enacted in 1996. It aims to protect the confidentiality and security of protected health information, PHI, held by healthcare providers, health plans, and other healthcare-related organizations. Master file. A master file is a centralized repository that contains all the necessary information about your digital files, including 1. File metadata. File name, date created, date modified, size, etc. 2. File contents. A summary of the file contents. 3. File location. The location of the file within your folder structure. 4. File relationships. The relationships between different files, such as dependencies or connections. Benefits of a master file. 1. Improved searchability. A master file makes it easier to search for specific files. 2. Enhanced collaboration. A master file helps teams collaborate more effectively by providing a centralized repository of information. 3. Better data management. A master file helps you manage your data more effectively by providing a single source of truth for your files. Thank you for joining me on this journey to master the art of document filing. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to create a personalized document management system that suits your needs. Remember, these ideas are based on my personal work experiences and are not sponsored by any company. As you begin implementing these strategies, I encourage you to keep in mind that effective document filing is a continuous process that requires regular maintenance and review. Be open to adapting and adjusting as needed, and always keep your goals in mind. Before we wrap up, I'd like to extend my gratitude to you for watching and for being part of this community. If you have any additional information or tips that you'd like to share, please feel free to comment below so that we can help others who may be struggling with document filing. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tutorials on productivity, organization, and document management. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.